Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, I know you guys are down. This market is a little crappy right now, but we're going to bring it back and we're going to be finding you guys the best plays on the NASDAQ and the NYSE. I kid you not, the title says the truth here. I have found you guys a stock. It is sitting at $11 per share, currently has 7 buy ratings on it, and has a high price target of over $400. The title was not lying. I will be saving this stock for the end of the video to show you guys because it goes along with a sector of stocks that I am very, very bullish on at this current moment, which of course I will be sharing with you as well. Now, for those of you guys that do not know, welcome to viralstocks.io. Our goal is to find you guys the best in the microcap arena. These are short-term, high-probability trading opportunities. Ultimately, we don't care about the next dividend stock. We don't care about your next long-term investment. I'm not going to tell you to invest in the S&P 500. We care about those short-term opportunities in the penny stock world to make you guys quick money, and that is exactly what we do. We've had a ton of winners on this channel, but if you guys want to take it even a step further, I highly suggest you sign up for our completely free penny stock alerts. And when you sign up with your email here, not only is it completely free, we're also going to give you guys a penny stock ebook. You can download the ebook for completely free, no cost associated whatsoever, and you guys can learn exactly how we trade penny stocks. So not only do you get completely free penny stock alerts, but you also get a free ebook, and obviously you get all our alerts before we share them here on YouTube. So as you can see, sign up with that link in the description below. It will also be pinned in the first comment with your email and your phone number so we can give you guys the next great penny stocks. I highly suggest you get over there, guys. But regardless, the first stock on today's list is going to be ticker symbol ALNA. This is a NASDAQ stock that has been pretty much killing it lately. It is having a slight pullback right now. What's important to note here, I mean, you don't even have to be a TA expert, right? I don't even have to pull up an advanced chart for this. You can just see a massive cup and handle pattern. Now, I will say we broke below the cup and handle pattern, but nevertheless, we are starting to form a bottom here where we could see another bounce for ALNA. Obviously, like I said, no real chart here. We're just literally on Google, but it still is a pretty clear picture of what is happening with this ticker symbol. Now, let's take a look here. From Moon Market, he says, all I see is buying in big chunks in wild short interest data over 0.25 is key. Tons and tons of green here means tons and tons of buying, and we can see here some of the stuff. The short interest change has gone up 41% here in the last probably 24 hours, which is absolutely huge. Cost to borrow max is up at 262%. That is absolutely massive. Big things coming here, possibly with ALNA. Obviously, you never want to get into a stock when it's on a big run-up, but after a pullback with more news to come is always a great opportunity. Now, the next stock is going to be ticker symbol BRQS. Yeah, but we are bringing it back. One thing that you are going to notice here with penny stocks and catalysts is you'll bring them back. You watch these stocks rally, you make money on these stocks, then you wait for pullbacks and you wait for the next catalyst, right? So BRQS could be popping here because of all of these dang contracts. Absolutely insane. Bork's solar energy storage system subsidiary HUSA Energy has signed 49.8, we'll call it $50 million of contracts in Q2 2022 in the state of Hawaii alone. Now, importantly, this stock is in a very big sector, 5G wireless solutions, baby. So they are a global provider of 5G wireless solutions, Internet of Things, IoT, and innovative clean energy. I mean, geez, could you hit any more buzzwords in one sentence there, right? That's why I like Bork so much. But their global operations are in India, China, and today announced that its majority-owned subsidiary Solar Energy Storage Systems, so I messed that up, but HUSA Energy signed with developers and property owners for 9 solar plus energy storage projects in the state of Hawaii, totaling almost $50 million. Why is this so big? Let's jump over to their market cap. That is only $32 million. So they're going to be having tons of revenue coming in, and that's not all. Look at this, founder and CEO. That's all I need to hear. This is a founder-led company, meaning his heart is so, his money, everything tied behind this company, really wants it to succeed. That puts so much more faith in companies for me when the founder is their current CEO. But with such solid returns from their marketing efforts in Q2, they're on track to sign over $140 million of contracts this year, surpassing their previous forecast of 128. These types of catalysts can really make stocks shoot up. Obviously, be careful, maybe wait for the next catalyst, but nevertheless, I suggest you keep Bork Solar Energy here on your watch list here because I do think it is going to do extremely well. Obviously, this stock has ran the stocks we are talking about today have ran a lot already. If you want to get in these stocks before they run, I highly suggest you sign up with your email and your phone number in the description below, or pin in the first comment, or head to viralstocks.io/signup. We get these alerts to you guys at 9:30 a.m. before the bell, before any other investors, and before we share them here on YouTube. It is also important to note, this is no spam service. In fact, last week, there was no alerts whatsoever. We will not be sending out stock alerts to you guys unless there is a big catalyst ahead, a big price action that we find on the scanner, whatever it may be. But the point is big opportunities. We don't just send out alerts to send out alerts. We don't have a minimum that we need to get to you guys, right? We only send out alerts when we have them. In bull markets, that's 1 to 2 a week. But hey, it's been a bit slow lately. So just know we're only going to get out the best alerts to you guys. You guys can review them, see what you think. Ultimately, get in them if you would like. But they're short-term opportunities. And of course, we are not financial advisors. That link will be in the description below. Moving on here is ticker symbol ENDP, Endo International. This stock right now is sitting at just 50 cents, up 12% on the day based off of some good news. That is this right here that went in Endo's favor. As soon as this news came out, the stock shot up about 25% in one day, but I still think it has potential for the long term, because if you look here, analysts are very bullish on this stock. They got a price target of $1.25 as an average. That's 140% upside from where the stock sits right now in the next 12 months if this comes true, right? With the highest price target being at $2, so definitely some serious potential here for this stock. You know, if it would hit some of these crazy price targets, even the low at $1 would still be a substantial upside from where it sits right now, you know, well over 100%. So just keep an eye on this stock. Now, the next one is going to be CLVS, not to get confused with Clove, but Clovis Oncology, sitting up 30% on the day. Why is this stock important, though? Because you got to mark your calendars for July 7th, but I'm going to debunk this because I was excited for this stock at first. I'm not going to lie. I was excited to see a shareholder meeting, and then I keep scrolling. I'm like, okay, good stuff here, good stuff. And then it says the company seeks shareholders for approval for 2 major proposals during that meeting. And then I'm like, okay, I definitely know what's coming next. The first of these proposals is a reverse stock split. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye. No longer, right? No way, Jose. Not doing any reverse stock splits. They always end negatively, right? They're doing this so they can try and stay on the NASDAQ and not delist from the NASDAQ because their price is so low. They're not meeting the minimum requirements anymore, or could possibly not be meeting the minimum requirements. This stock is going to absolutely tank if they do a reverse stock split, you know, if they get the approval and everything, which they probably will, but the stock is not going to do well. So, you know, we're going to update this stock, but I was bullish on this stock. I like that they had that meeting coming up. Not no more. I'm out. But let's move on here. So one of the biggest categories that I'm looking at right now is monkeypox stocks, and this is where the $400 price target comes in. So vaccines are going crazy with this stock. Any of these companies land a deal, they're going to go huge, right? So, which they already are landing deals, but obviously, like with many experts stating that the actual infected patients number is greater than 306 confirmed cases, Biden administration is currently working on sending tens of thousands of vaccines all over the country. So what are we looking at? Well, we are looking at vaccine companies making these vaccines, right? So what is going to be the first one on our list? By the way, if you haven't checked out yesterday's video, make sure to do it because, or this was 2 days ago, but this goes over some of these stocks more in depth. But regardless, number one is going to be ticker symbol SIGA here, SIGA Technologies. The company is well known for its FDA-approved oral smallpox treatment. What's important is there's a huge similarity between smallpox and monkeypox. So they have a great fight for this vaccine. Then the next one is going to be ticker symbol CODX. By the way, if you want to know more about these penny stocks and any opportunities that we present before YouTube gets them, make sure you sign up to our completely free penny stock alerts. Come over to our website, check it out. You guys will love what we have on our website. We put out articles every single day on the hottest stocks in the market. Ticker symbol GVOX is the other one though. Now, one stock that I did not include on this list, only for one reason. That is ticker symbol BVNRY, Bavarian Nordic stock here. The reason I did not include this is because it is an OTC stock. We do focus highly on NASDAQ and NYSE stocks because we understand Robinhood users don't necessarily have access to OTC stocks, or, you know, Webull has like a few, you know, a lot of brokers don't have these. So we try to stick to NASDAQ and NYSE so we're able to, you know, make sure everyone can get in on these stocks if they would like. But this stock is way too hard to pass up on for me not to talk about, right? The important part with this stock is they are very far ahead in making these vaccines and landing deals. They've already landed deals. Very tiny market cap here, right? Obviously that's in a different currency, but what I want to show you here is the price targets, right? So as we can see, analyst ratings here, we have 7 buy ratings, only 1 hold, with a price target upwards of $400 per share. On the low, $280 per share. The average, $345 per share. That is absolutely massive. I mean, if we take a look at a percentage, $345, hopefully I remember how to do this on camera here, minus 11 equals, divided by 11 equals, times 100 equals 3,000%. Does that sound right? I think it's right. 10x would be 100. Yeah, about 3,000%. That makes sense. 3,000% increase to just even get to the average price target here. 2,000 to get to the low, almost 4,000 to get to the high. Absolutely massive, right? So definitely keep an eye on Bavarian Nordic here. Not saying it can get to these numbers, but if it can even do 1/10 of this, it's still going to be an over 100% gainer, which is going to be a huge win for the community. Take an eye on this stock. But guys, stocks run every single day. MREO, MTMT, these are stocks we've talked about before, up 21 and 23% respectively today. Stocks run every single day, okay guys, even when the market is going down, and that's what we do for you here on this channel. So can't say it enough. Make sure you're signed up at viralstocks.io. Guys, we're going to get these alerts to you guys. We're going to find the best stocks in the market to make you guys a ton of money. Not financial advice, of course. But that's all I got for you guys in today's video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notifications so you don't miss a beat. Head over to our website, viralstocks.io. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video.